Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing today. My name is Lisette and I'm so happy that you're here. Today I got something special for you. Yes, for you. Today we are diving into the world of no makeup routine. Yes, you heard it right. This is the hour of looking so fresh, clean, beautiful, stunning with a little bit of makeup. So let me teach you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's get into it. First things first, skincare is key. I will show you my go-to products to achieve that radiant, glowy face. First, I use the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is my secret weapon to locking in moisture and achieving that dewy complexion. Moving on to the Ordinary Alpha Protein 2%, a powerful serum that targets uneven skin tone and dark spots. Now it's time for some luxurious hydration with the Coxier Black Snail Collagen Cream. This cream is a game changer for plump, youthful looking skin. Last but not least, sun protection is crucial. I am using the Beauty of Chosen Relief Sunscreen with rice and probiotics. I love this product so much and has worked perfectly with my acne prone skin.
Bombastic side eye.
There you have it, that's my morning skincare routine. So now let's dive into the makeup. First, let me tame those brows with the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This is the perfect way to keep everything neat and defined without looking overly dull. Now let's go with some concealer. I'm using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade 15 Light Medium. Tap it on any blemishes or under eye darkness. And then I like to blend everything with a mini beauty blender. Now let's add a touch of warmth and dimension with a bronzer stick. Simply straight along your cheekbones, your forehead, or any area that you consider that you need bronzer and blend with your fingers. For a healthy flush, I'm reaching out for the Profusion Cosmetic Blush Hour Liquid Blush. Just a tiny drop on the apples of your cheeks will do wonders. And I'm blending out with my fingers for that fresh, rosy glow. Now it's time to shine. I like to apply a hint of the She Glam Glow Bloom Liquid Highlighter to the high points of my face. That means my cheekbones and the tip of my nose. And this will give me that lift from within radiance. Next, I like to put a little bit of my bronzer in the lower part of my eye, in the area. Now hear me out, this mascara, oh my goodness. For flirty lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Waterproof Mascara. With a few coats, it will give you that I will go like this look. And oh my god, look at that lash. I think this one is a must-have if you want that flirty lashes. Next, I like to put a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. Now let's define those lips with the lip liner that matches your natural lip color. And to wrap it up, I'm adding a hint of the e.l.f. Tinted Lip Oil in shade Pink Kiss. And last but not least, set everything in place with my favorite NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Voila! And this is how you achieve the no makeup look. I am obsessed with this result. I love it. I love that this look is so subtle, pretty, angelic, and also it's easy to do it. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below if you like this look or you want to see more looks or any product recommendations or anything. I'm still learning with makeup, so I would love some feedback. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in another tutorial. Bye!